Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Literally every day this week. I just got these glasses today. My glasses finally came from Warby Parker, and another thing I got are my Skims. My very first pair of Skims, y'all. Oh my bro. I'm so excited. Like, I don't think I understand how excited I am. So I'm gonna, oh, I have masks for you too.
Black?
Yeah, because I used a lot of yours. So I got black ones. I'm so excited, guys. So I'm gonna try it on and come back and show you guys. And I really hope it fits because I think I got a size too big. So we gonna see. I was like, Kim who? Kim who tonight? Y'all, I absolutely hate them. Oh. They literally do not fit. Like, I'm just so aggravated. Oh dang, my body's mad deformed.
I hate the hair.
I don't like that. Hey guys, so we are taking a little food break because I'm starving. So I'm about to go get food, and I got on my jacket. This is the same exact outfit that I'm literally traveling in, with my Sunburst Uggs and my shirtling, because I don't have no place to put them. So I'm just gonna have to travel in this exact outfit, literally. And at least it's comfortable though, so that's why I'm not really too mad. But yeah, I'm about to go get food. Let me put the camera back in. I cleaned all this stuff off. I just gotta like do that laundry, start packing my bags and stuff, wash my sheets. That's garbage. This is the Ugg box, that's garbage. And I gotta empty out my closet, my shoes. It's a whole mess. I cleaned everything up here though. I put all my cleaning stuff. So like I said, when I come back for next semester, all I gotta do is just put all of it in a cart and dip. We're all gonna talk about a different conversation. Yeah, which is a conversation. So we had went to Insomnia Cookies, but I wasn't feeling good because I hadn't eaten all day, and so I didn't record when we went to Insomnia Cookies because I wasn't even focused on that. And then we went to Hibachi, which is the clip before this, and they had me hibachi like this because that's how I left. Because I'm like, okay, we just going to get cookies real quick. I'm just throw my jeans and go outside because I really don't be caring about how my hair look, honestly. But I'm gonna fix my hair tonight just because why not? Like, yeah, I'm gonna fix it tonight for tomorrow. But now I'm packing, and I pretty much have everything packed, like literally. I figured out a way to fit everything in. I just have to pack up like my, yo, I forgot I did laundry. I have mad, look, I literally have mad laundry. And look at my bag. Like, I had to lay everything flat because I can't roll it. It's gonna be too thick. And look, I don't have no space for that. God, that just sucks. Like, that just ruined my whole mood. And I'm just mad. I'm like, that really just ruined my whole mood. I just can't. I'm pissed. I'm hot. That shit is so disrespectful. Like Cardi B said. Oh my god.
Mixing in with lyrical lemonade. Yeah, what the rumor is. Fuck these other hoes cause I love my bitch.
And what if it's cold?
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys.
Rob, say hi.
Hello.
Hey, Jack can see y'all. Oh yeah, okay, Chris, Mr. Grumpy. So guys, my hair. Oh, my phone. Can you grab my phone tonight? Oh, my mask.
No.
Can you grab my mask?
No.
No, did I see you grab my mask? My hair is a little messed up, but we're going to IHOP now. Yay! And Robert's trying to take us to some crazy ass place, y'all.
They was trying to get us purchased and sold.
That place was not it. We was like, no, abort mission. Let me get a to-go box because I'm not comfortable eating here. Like, that's how it felt. Cause we in the South, you know, like I'm so tired, y'all. Yo, everywhere is hiring out here.
Work everywhere.
I'm nervous.
I'm about to work out here. I need a job.
Come on.
Okay, thanks. Thanks for opening the freaking door. Of course you did. Okay, y'all. Yeesh. Yeah. Yo, she said they've been here since, I don't know. But why she said it like that? She fed up. Shoot, put me back there. Put me on the grill. I can't zoom out. I can't zoom out.
No, bro.
So now I can't zoom out the camera. Shit.
Ask bro right here. Outside of the car, like, have y'all talked yet today?
Who?
You and I.
Wait, you mean?
Like, before y'all got in the car, did y'all like, hey, how y'all?
Finally came. Let me show you what I got. Honey barbecue. Honey barbecue with french fries, but the french fries didn't come yet. And me and Chris got the same thing, and she got Asian zing.
Well, I gotta give you some silverware,
This is what I'm getting. And this is how it looks before. And I'm getting this. I'm getting this to cover it up. You laughing at me? I'm getting this to cover it up. So let's hope it doesn't hurt a lot because I can't deal with hurt. Alright, so I'm about to get it. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Tell everybody I said hi. Alright, tell everybody I said hi. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't mind my crooked ass brick wallpaper I tried to do, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I know it's all over the place, but I honestly think that's what works for me. I feel like structured videos don't really work, so yeah, but that's what works best for me. So I'm gonna try some videos to be structured, like, you know, makeup routines, vlog, regular daily vlogs, going out vlogs would be structured, but like, you know, these week in my life vlogs, they'll just be all over the place. But yeah, and let me show you guys the tattoo one more time. Okay, it's mad dark in this room. Hold on, I'm in bed right now. I'm watching NCIS. Okay. So that's how it looks, and I absolutely love it. And so yeah, I will see you guys when I see you guys. I'm not really able to record in my room just because I don't feel comfortable in the environment. So once I get my single, then I'll definitely be recording more. And that's why every time you really see me recording, it's like really quick in the room, or it's quiet, or it's always outside when I record. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next video.